Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porgy Tech. Alright, so I have another unboxing video for you again. Alright, so today we're gonna unbox the MacBook Pro, the 2020 MacBook Pro, and this is the silver version. Alright, this is the base model, 256 gigabytes. Alright, but before I get into this unboxing, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another video uploaded on my channel. Alright, so I'm gonna get into this unboxing, starting off with the earpods right here. So this earpod right here I got for free with the purchase of this MacBook Pro, and I picked these up at Best Buy. And if you check on apple.com as well, they have the same deal going on, where if you purchase a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, you get a set of earpods for free, and you can also upgrade to the earpods Pro for $50 extra. So let's get into the unboxing of the earpods first. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Alright, unboxing the earpods first. So let's open the box. Alright, and this is the regular earpods that I got for free. You can get the earpods Pro, you can upgrade these to the earpods Pro, but you'd have to pay an extra $50. Alright, so keep that in mind. So you can head on over to Best Buy and get this deal if it seems attractive to you. Alright, so here is the earpods right here. Take this out the wrapper real quick. Alright, regular earpods right here. Here we go, we got the left and the right. So we have the earpods right here. Put that back in the case, and in the bottom here we have the USB right here to lightning. Alright, so it's a regular USB to lightning port right here that we get with this one. With the earpods Pro, you will get a USB-C to lightning cable, but these are the regular ones, so you're gonna get the regular USB to lightning. Alright, so that's just a quick unboxing of the earpods right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right back inside the box right here for now. Leave that in there. Alright, and then we're gonna get to the computer. So here we have the box as this. It comes in a brown box when you buy it at Best Buy for some reason. Seems like how they get this shipped to them by Apple. Alright, so let's open that up. We're gonna go ahead and take out the MacBook Pro. Alright, so give me a couple seconds, let me get this out, get the brown box out of the way. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. Here we have the MacBook Pro. Alright, so here we have the MacBook Pro here, and this is the silver version as I mentioned before, and this is the base model MacBook Pro as well. So it's a 13.3 inch MacBook Pro, 1.4 quad core Intel i5, and this is the 8 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3 memory, and 256 gigabytes of storage, and this has the Intel Iris Plus graphics card inside as well. Alright, it has the two USB-C ports, the Thunderbolts. Alright, a headphone jack, stereo speakers, backlit keyboard, Bluetooth 5.0, and FaceTime camera as well, the HD camera. So those are some of the specs that comes with the computer. So let's open the box and see what we have inside here. Alright, so let's go ahead, find the tab here to open this, and we're gonna open it up. Alright, so now we have the plastic off. Let's put that aside, and let's get inside this box, see what we have here. So let's put the cover aside for a bit, and here we have the MacBook Pro, the silver version, and this is really nice. Look at this, really nice and shiny, guys. Look at this. And this, as I said before, this is the silver version. Alright, so the MacBook Pro comes in two colors, the space gray and the silver. Alright, so let's open this, take the plastic off, and let's push that up and get it aside. Alright, so this is the silver version right here. Looks really nice. Alright, that's what it looks like here, silver. So let's dig inside the box here, see the other accessories we have inside. So we have the regular Apple stuff here, we have the silver Apple stickers that comes in the pack, instructions, pretty much a lot of different papers that you have here with the instructions and regular information here on the stickers. So we're gonna put that aside. We have the charging brick, which is the USB power adapter. This is 61 watts to be specific, and this is a USB-C as well. So it's a USB-C. And speaking of USB-C, we have the USB-C to USB-C USB cable right here. So this is the charging cable for the MacBook Pro. Alright, so not too heavy on the charging brick. Looks, and it's a nice size, but it's not too heavy. And we have the charging cable right here, which is the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So that's all you get in the box with the MacBook Pro. So put that back in the box, close this up, and let's get back to the computer for a bit. Alright, so let's set the box aside a little bit. Alright, so here's the MacBook Pro. Take a look around, nice and thin. We have the two USB-C ports here on the left hand side of the computer, and nice sleek design here, pretty thin. This is the back portion, and this is the right hand side where we have the headphone jack here. This is a notch where you can put your fingers to open the lid on the computer pretty easily. As you can see, we have four rubber boots at the bottom here. This is where the computer sits so it doesn't get scratched easily on the flat surface. Alright, and you have a nice shiny Apple logo here on the top. So we're just gonna go ahead, open this a little bit, and take this paper off. As you can see, when you open the Apple computers, it starts to boot up right away. And we have the touch bar here at the top and a nice keyboard. Alright, so again, this is a silver version, and I'm not gonna do a setup as yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this back down a little bit. Alright, so this is just the unboxing. I'm gonna get into a little more detail in another video and a follow-up with this computer. Alright, so remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Alright, so again, today we unboxed the MacBook Pro, the silver version here, the base model, and our free earpods right here. Alright, so thank you for watching again. Peace.